back to the channel, and today we're gonna be doing a little bit of a vlog kind of thing. That's what I'm gonna be calling it. Tomorrow I'm dropping off my car at Airtekk to get my bags installed. So yes, I purchased bags. They are the stage 1 kit. So before I go there, I want to put my ESRs back on because at the moment I'm still running my winter tires, and it is the first week of March right now, and I hope we're not gonna be getting any more snow. I hope it doesn't snow because the tires that I have on my ESRs aren't the best in the snow whatsoever. So I'm putting my ESRs back on today, so when I drop off my car at the shop at Airtekk tomorrow, my wheels are on already and it should be looking nice and mint. And for the kit, I will go into more detail probably in another video. This is just like a vlog kind of thing. So this is more just like a vlog kind of thing, just to like cleaning my car, putting my wheels back on, and just prepping for the bags. And that's a pothole. Ooh. All right, let's do a small pull here. Let's see what we got. Lower the windows a little bit. Putting on my wheels. Damn, look at these tires.
Hubs here.
Yeah, no. Yo, look at this.
That's fucking meat. Like you can literally move the shit with your finger. Like those are grippy as hell. I can't imagine breaking traction with those.
No, I tried to
just tap the gas, so you're gonna spin.
That's insane. Yeah. Yo, I swing so easily with these things.
That's.
And they have my springs. This is 275, right? Just making sure.
Yeah.
Yep. Yo, listen. You see how f***ing those are? Camber gang, baby.
Bro, there's a.
Ooh, let's go. What's scissors? Alright, guys, it is now the next day. I got my ESRs back on, as you can tell from the previous clips. I actually also washed my car yesterday, so it's nice and clean to have the bags installed. I'm on my way over to Airtekk now. It's about a 20-minute drive. And I got Brendan behind me with the FRS. And he's gonna be my ride back home, so I will catch you guys when we're there. Made it to Airtekk. Yo, let's go, baby. Check out this kid's camber. And this kid isn't even on bags yet.
Definitely got lower. No joke.
You think so? Oh, definitely.
Stretch tires can go on my
take one last look at the Gen. Yo, I think he's lower than you. Yo, this color is sick, yo. Damn, man. Alright, guys, the Gen is dropped off. Hopefully 2 or 3 days. Guys, it's like 3 days later. We're on our way to Airtekk now to pick up my car. It was actually done yesterday around like 6 o'clock, but I was at work. So I'm on my way there now, so when they open at 11 o'clock, we'll be there as well. And we got our boy Brendan here today. What's going on, guys? And then behind us, we got the whole squad. We got Zach, and then we got I can't see him. Nah. And we got Dan over there, but we can't see him. Catch you guys when we're there. Yeah, I don't know why everyone, all the boys had to come play, but it's the same. All right, dude, if we had to. We made it. All right, here we got it. We got the setup here. Because you stay, count to 30. Count to 30. All right, here we go, guys. Don't move. Holy. That's insane. Yo, Chris. Yo, Chris.
Get over here, big man.
Yeah.
Am I good?
Yes, the sun's going down. Sounds great. Sounds sick. Neighbors aren't the biggest fan, but you know, who cares?
You pay the taxes just like they do. They gotta deal with it.
Exactly. You're good. You're good. Nobody. Oh, that hurts.
Slight work.
I should probably go another inch.
Dang.
Another inch.
Alright guys, it's now the following day, and I got my front fenders rolled, so my tire isn't so much sitting on the fender anymore. And the backs I did not roll because they didn't need to be. But in this video, I hope you guys aren't going to get mad because I'm not showing how the whole system works. I'm going to make that a separate video. This video was just a separate video of just going to the shop, getting the bags installed, and just kind of making a small vlog out of it. But I'm going to be doing a separate video on how the stage 1 kit works and what I have, like my trunk setup and all that fun stuff. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And Carl looks sick. I wanted to do this for a long time, but we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.